Hey guys, Value Hunter back at you with another mail call video, and this time it is a trade that I did again. I just can't get away from doing trades with Dean from Tomoko's Enterprises. So let's get right in and see what he sent me. So guys, let me see, I gotta be careful about how I think I'm just gonna tear into this one instead of using the knife, just to be on the safe side. But yeah, I can get a hole started here. But guys, so I hit Dean up. He was commenting on another trade that I did, and I said, Dean, I'm always ready for a trade with you whenever you are. And so he said, all right, let's do it. So we hooked it up. I sent him some coins, and in exchange, he said, I've got this new mold that I think you'll really like. So what happened was this came in the week of Easter, and I had all kinds of kids event and family events going on. And so I wanted to get the video right out, but I actually had this sitting for a few days on my desk, and Dean hit me up on another video and goes, hey, did you get that package yet? Haven't seen anything from you. I said, Dean, I have. I just haven't had a chance. So he was eager to see my reaction. I can't wait as well to get into this and see what he has done and what he has sent me. If you guys haven't checked out Dean's channel, he's got some really good pouring videos. He's been a staple in the pouring community, does really, really cool and beautiful art, and is just, he's one of these guys that that is just a salt of the earth is how I would describe Dean. You get in conversations with him, you talk to him, just a very thoughtful guy. His art is phenomenal. His heart ends up poured into each one of his pieces of art, and so I always appreciate getting a piece from Dean. VH, hello again, my friend. How nice to do another trade with a trusted friend. I sure hope you enjoy the 16 tigers. And possibly your new avatar? Yeah, I was thinking of you when I first saw it. I hope this arrives on the same type beauty spring day as I'm having up here. Take care, bud. That's awesome, Dean. Yeah, it is actually gorgeous here. Perfect temperature. It's not too hot. Sun shining. I kind of took a peek here at this first COA, so I kind of know what's coming. But I've got to put these to the side and check out the pieces before I look at all the COAs. One of the things that came, this is so cool. One of the things that came is, I love these tiger heads. I got one of these from Dean in another trade that he threw in, and I just love them because of my channel logo. The uniqueness of the white tiger and how rare they are. How you get that variation that occurs only one in, every 10,000 from the Bengals, and how limited they are in the world. And so that's my logo. It's just a rare thing, but it's also the largest of the cats. So it's a hunter, and the white tigers are bigger than others, so they're actually the largest of the cat family. So that's where the logo comes from. He was pouring these, nothing to do with the Value Hunter channel, but I just had to have one, and he asked me, to fill in some weight, what I would like to do, and I said, I would love to have just a bunch of these, just a bunch of them to kind of hold, and I don't want to ding them up or anything, but just kind of, the way they feel kind of clinking together and in hand is pretty cool. And on the back, they all say 999 fine silver. They're just so unique, these little things. I really dig them. I really, really like these, Dean. So they all say 999 fine on the back. Tiny, tiny, but look at what Dean's able to do. I mean, he gets these ripples even on this little thing. It's just awesome. The little detail is so cool. So here's 4 of these. I think according to the little note that I got from Dean. Oh, cool. I believe there's 16 of these tigers in here, which is super cool. I'm going to keep these. I'm so glad you sent me these pouches, as I've been told I need them to store my silver appropriately, Dean. Oh man, so this one is not that, so I'm going to keep it off to the side for a second. It's going to be the finale, the coup de grace. That is so cool. I love opening packages from Dean. It's just a treat, and it is just so cool to see what he's put in here. And oh, look at this. So 2 more of these bags. So guys, effectively, look at this. I mean, just gotta love the trade here, because I sent him some Mexican coins, mainly Mexican ounce coins, is what Dean got. I got in exchange, just completely hooked up with, look at that, guys. I got a couple extra bags, and then I've got 16 of these. Oh, these are so cool, Dean. Oh man, these are ridiculous. I love them. These little tiger heads. These are like little mini channel bars for Value Hunter. How cool are those? And I know there's a lot of people out there. I've seen, I had one of these, and I saw Silverback Stacker open a pile of them, and I was kind of envious of that little. I was like, man, I need to get a handful. So I'm glad we did a trade so that I could add to my collection. And then this. All right, so this is what Dean's talking about. Certificate of Authenticity, 2.55 ounce Tiger round. Many thanks, my friend. Awesome. Oh, Dean. Oh, my goodness. So, guys, there's definitely a theme going on here. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, my gosh. That's so cool. Dean. I mean, just absolutely amazing. Look at that. Oh, it's a round. Oh, it says VH on the back. It says 2.55 Troy. And then it's got Dean's logo, the Tomoko Enterprises logo on the back stamped into it. And the pour lines on this thing are just crazy. Look at that. I love it. I love it. It's almost like the stamp was there first and the pour lines roll into where it is. I just dig it so much. Oh my gosh, Dean, this thing is just beautiful. Yeah, look at the character and complexion on this thing. I'm just totally digging it. And then it says 999 fine silver, stamped above his logo. Just beautiful piece, guys. Dean, you outdo yourself, man. Every time I get a pour from you, I'm like blown away. Look at this. So that is a very personalized bar, my friend, and I love it. So just in case, I mean, you knew my reaction was going to be amazed, right? I just love this thing. Look, I've got my little tigers here, and then here's the Papa Tiger coming in. Wow. I mean, it really does. It's so similar to my logo, Dean. It's so cool. I just dig it. Oh, man. Look at that. Oh, wow. Thank you so much, my friend. I am just over the moon to get this from you. I really appreciate it. Can't say enough how much I appreciate you doing trades with me. I know the premium that your stuff carries and the respect that you have in the community, and I just am so honored to have your pieces in my stack, Dean. If you guys have not been over to do a trade or to buy some silver from Dean and from his YouTube channel, you can go check him out and see all the stuff that he's done pouring wise. Fun to kind of hang out and watch videos on his channel. Heartfelt, fun to watch. Guy's a talented artist, as you guys can tell. Absolutely a staple in the pouring community. So Dean, I just really appreciate this stuff. He's sent in an extra copper round here that says Freedom. This is a Silver Shield copper from 14. So that is cool. I don't have many copper rounds, Dean, and this one's gonna stay with me. This is a special one from you. So thanks, my friend. I appreciate it. Just, are you guys as blown away by what you're seeing as I am? Because I just dig Dean's pours, I gotta say. I'm like, I add to my community stack, and I'm trying to spread it out and go to new pours and get a good cross section of all the people that I watch their channels and respect what they do. And what's funny about it is I keep going back to Dean. We keep doing trades over and over. So every time I do one with somebody else, or two with some other people, I do another one with Dean. It's just really cool. I just so dig what he does. And I kind of met him through Mike GPO and the guys in the Metal Mafia community on the Monday Night Chats. That was first where I encountered Dean. And I was like, man, this guy is just full of wisdom and such a joyful soul. I really appreciate you, Dean. Thank you so much for doing a trade with me and for these wonderful gifts. Thanks, Dean. I appreciate all the tchotchkes. Absolutely love the Tiger round. Man, this thing is just epic. Thank you, my friend. Cheers. I'll be talking to you. See you around the tube, my friend. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, guys. And until next time, this is Value Hunter, and I'm signing out.